Dad!
Julie!
Look at my face!
Oh, I know. I'll be right back. You just stay there. Okay, I'm back. And I've brought a solution. We're gonna use this syringe to see if we can just pull those zits off your face. Huh. Well, shoot, that didn't work.
But I can't leave the house looking like this.
I'm not done solving this problem yet. Oh, no. Ha, gotcha! No, I'm just kidding! We're trying chopsticks this time! Now hold still and let me just try this. Darn it, these are no good too!
Maybe this whole thing is hopeless.
No way! I'm not done yet! This trusty ruler will help our cause! Okay, I've got them measured. Now it's time for the tweezers. Gosh, you've got a really bad case of acne going on here.
I hate my life! This is the worst thing that's ever happened!
Yeah, this is a conundrum.
I heard you have acne problems. Well, I have the solution for you. Here, let me show you. These acne patches will clear your skin right up. You've just gotta put one on each of your pimples. After some time, you can peel them off and have a clear complexion. No way! My face! It's back to normal! You're welcome. Yes! Just gotta give this one more tug. Yes! I'll aim this roll just right. Nailed it!
What do you have to say for yourself?
No! I didn't mean to do it!
No mercy for you! Take this! Hiya!
Ah! Woo! Look at all this amazing fluff! There are like clouds everywhere! Right in my room!
What the heck? What is going on around here? This whole place is a huge giant mess! What? This is because of Julie?
Oh, hi Dad.
This is utterly ridiculous. I guess I better get cleaning this mess up. Alright, let me just put all these plants back up and there they go. Why is there so much toilet paper everywhere? That's not even a toy! Books on the floor too? That's not how we treat books around here. Huh? A toy car? You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry about that, Dad. I didn't see you there.
I can't even with that girl. Hey, wait a second. I've got a genius idea! I've got the car and I've got a broom head. I've got to put them together. These rubber bands should do the trick. I'll need these two little wooden dowels, too. And duct tape, of course. Alright, here we go. Step 1 starts with a rubber band. I want to put them around the front wheels of the car like so. Next up, the dowels off the hood of the car like this, and tape to hold them in place. Now it's time to add the most important part. My broom! I'll use the rubber bands from before to hold the broom so it doesn't fall off. There we go. The head of the broom is now nicely secured.
Fuzzies everywhere! Oh, Dad! Run away!
No. Just sit right there. Everything is fine. Let me show you what I've got. A remote-controlled broom. It can clean up the entire place. Oh yeah, look at it go. Look at that speed and power. Amazing! And it looks like I'm done.
Wow! This is definitely the coolest broom I've ever seen in my entire life! It's so sleek and… Ooh!
Where could she be? Julie?
Hi, Dad! I heard you shouting, so I came right over.
Oh, you look a little sweaty. Hold on, I can fix that for you. Ah, here we go. Let's just… Oh!
Yeah, it's really hot outside today. But I got stuff to do.
Wait, Julie! Let me dab your face dry! Aw, I'm so happy that you're enjoying your breakfast cereal.
Yeah, it's good. I like it a lot. Ooh, Nutella. I'm gonna eat some of this for sure.
Whoa! You've made a bit of a mess on your face. Just hold on 1 second. Oh, what the heck? How did she make this mess?
So good! I love chocolate. It's the best! Ha! Monkey's gonna kiss you, Dad!
Okay, honey.
Monkey! You're my best and very favorite… Ah! No!
What?
Dad! Help Monkey!
Oh no. She's gonna need to blow her nose. There's gotta be something. Oh, this roll of toilet paper could be the solution. Wait. What? She blew her nose on my shirt? That's so disgusting! She's always running off or making a mess before I can help. Wait a second. I think I've got a great idea. Okay, I've got this roll of toilet paper. Let me just roll some of it out like this. And now I'm gonna start to fold or roll it up. There. Okay, next up, I'm gonna need some scissors. I'll just cut this in half. There we go. Next up, this piece of cardboard. I'm gonna need a ruler. And this knife because I'm gonna do some cutting. The ruler will work as a guide so I can make a straight cut on this cardboard. That's the perfect amount. Now let me take this strip and cut it into 4 even little squares. I need this little straw because I want to wrap the little cardboard square around it. Okay, now it's time to bring back the little toilet paper roll. Excellent! It's a little toilet paper roll. I've got this little holder so I can just put the teepee on the holder. Let me just finish these up and ta-da! I've got 2 toilet paper rolls. And that's not where it ends. They're actually earrings. I'm so excited to give these to Julie so she can use them. There you go, honey. Now you have access to tissue whenever you need it. See? You can just pull off a bit from your roll.
Oh, wow! I have fun earrings now! Hey, there's some dirt on my shoes. I need some tissue for my earrings. That should be enough. And now I can clean my shoe. There. Back to normal. Achoo! Time to get out of here. Hey! Someone used up the toilet paper! Oh no! Dad! I need you to bring more toilet paper!
What? Julie, don't forget about your earrings! That'll save you! Your earrings, Julie! Your earrings!
Huh? My earrings? Oh right, I forgot about them! I can just use the toilet paper from them instead!
I'll put my egg right here on the towel. Then I need a light and a clock. The timer is set. Now all I have to do is wait and watch. Come on, cook. Come on. Getting so sleepy. Just gonna close my eyes. Oh, my egg! Aw, man. It hasn't hatched yet.
This salad looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I feel like it might be missing something. Oh, I know. An egg. Eggs make everything better in my opinion. Alright, let me just peel this egg. Huh? It's empty?
Mom! Mom, that was my egg!
Oh, it's okay. I can put it back together. Here, look. It's fine.
No, it's broken! You ruined it! You ruined my egg!
Oh, wait. I can fix it, I promise. I'll just use a little tape. There, see? Good as new. No more cracks.
Huh? No, it's still bad!
Wait, Miles. We have more eggs.
More eggs?
Wait. Are we out of eggs? Oh no.
I hate you, Mommy! You ruined my egg!
Wait, don't go. Shoot. Gosh, he's really upset. Hey, wait a second. I've definitely got an idea that I think might work. Let me start with this half of an egg carton. I'm going to drape some plastic wrap over the top. Next up, I'm going to pour some water into the egg carton. Okay, that's looking good. But it needs something else. Sorry, Miles. I need these gummy bears. Okay, these candies are really going to help things. Look at these cute little squishy bears. Let me just pop some of these into each space in the carton. Okay, now I just need to freeze them. And done! Look at these icy little eggs. Miles, look what I brought for you.
Whoa! Look at the eggs! They're so cool! Wow, they're so smooth. I like them a lot.
Wait, watch this. I've got a glass of water. Let me just put one of the eggs inside. See? They're ice eggs! And now they can keep your water cool, too.
Okay, I've got my clock, my lamp, and my bowl. Alright, egg. Let's get back to it. Yay!
So Miles, don't you… Of course. Oh my gosh, I'm running late. I've gotta go.
I got your leg, Mom!
Miles, honey, I need you to let go.
I got you. You can't go anywhere.
Hey, Miles, look what I have. Some cookies.
Cookies! Yay! I want them!
Now's my chance to get out of here.
Yes! Cookies! I'm gonna set them down right here. Ooh, should I eat them now? Or wait? I don't know. I'm gonna eat them now! Oh, but if I eat them now, I won't have any more later. And I'm gonna want cookies later. Okay. I could sniff them. Ooh, cookies smell so good. I gotta eat the cookies right now. But wait, then no cookies later. I'll set them down. Cookies are hard. What am I gonna do? Cookies now? Cookies later? Cookies now? Cookies later? Ugh! Cookies! 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 Now or later! Cookies, come here. You just sit over there, Cookies. I'm gonna think really hard.
This book is so interesting. I'll keep reading.
No! My cookies! Get off, Dad! You're sitting on my cookies! Get off! How could you, Dad? Maybe the cookies will be okay. I'll just pour some out into this bowl and see. Ugh, Dad ruined my cookies that Mom gave me!
Well, I guess I really made a mess of things. Yeah, they're broken. Wait a second. Maybe I can salvage this. Alright, let's see if I can make this work. I need these cookies to be even more broken. I'll crunch them up. There, that should be enough. Let me grab a glass. I'm gonna slip this whole sleeve into the glass, and now I'm going to pour some milk right inside the sleeve. I want enough to fill the whole package all the way to the top. The last thing I need to do is add a popsicle stick into the sleeve too. And now I just need to freeze it. Okay, that should be long enough. Let me take it out of the glass. It's definitely frozen now, so it's ready to go. Miles, I've got something for you. Here.
Whoa! What's this? I'm gonna open it up. Whoa! There's cookies in this! Whoa! I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Mmm, so yummy. Mom! Dad gave me this. It's his popsicle.
Nice. I get the popsicle now. What are you doing? I'm just taking a taste. There, see? I got rid of it. It belongs to the bear now.
You two. What kind of cookies would you make into a popsicle? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.